Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my January 2021. I believe it's my Midnight Muses box from Sugar Muses. Yep, Midnight Muses. Bridget's Flame. January 2021. We'll come back to this. I always read that part last. So it looks like we have some art. Midnight Muses. Bridget's Flame. Invoke. I love these little envelopes. I save them. Comes what you know. Ruler of Flux and Reflux, the moon. Beautiful. Smells nice. Okay. We've got a unicorn type candle with a triple moon pentagram. I love that. Her business card. Oh wow, I love it. It's a little candle, tea light candle holder with a triple moon tea light holder. Very, oh, it's so sweet. Look guys, it's so sweet. Oh, I love it. So cute. We've got some incense cones, and that's what the smell is. Some kind of flower, I think. We've got a crystal in a organza bag. Some kind of quartz. We've got our little vials. Juniper berry, very cool. Love that. Incense blend. Casting salts. Got dandelion root tea for our dandelion root luck, hope, and wishes. I don't know if it's tea, but I will read about it. Don't want y'all drinking it and then getting sick. I did not advise you medically to do such a thing. We got our oil here. It's Bridget's Flame. Smell it. It smells like clean. It's got a clean smell. Let me smell this incense. I can't really smell it, or aside from that, it's herby. It's got an herbaceous scent. Oh, we've got a spray. And this is the Invoke tea, which is black tea, orange peel, cinnamon, apple, roses, fruit, and spice flavoring. And we've got a spray here. Aura cleansing spray. Let's give her a sniff. It smells like Tic Tac. But in a nice way, not a negative way. Last one, cloth. So let's move all this. Boom. Get all my little items in the shot. So you can see what it is that we've got going on here. Alright. Now let's look at this insert. Midnight Muses, Bridget's Flame, January 2021. Happy 2021. The darkest night of the year is over. December 22nd onward, we begin to move towards longer days. We welcome the flame that begins to melt the snow and brings new life to the earth. We welcome the spark that burns away stagnant energy and what no longer serves us, the fire that evokes creativity, new ideas, and new ways of problem solving. This is the gift that Imulk offers. An ancient celebration to mark the turning of the wheel and an opportunity to manifest magic in your life. I mean, she does information about Imulk, and all of these are set up in the form of a ritual. So we got Imulk incense cones. Smoke naturally cleanses your space. It doesn't really say anything else about them. I can't identify the smell, but it's a very fresh, clean smell. Or cleansing mist contains essential oils and plant extracts crafted to assist in clearing unwanted energy. Contains cedarwood, tea tree, and peppermint essential oils blended with moon charged rose water. It smells great. I love it. Casting salt in the glass vial. Do not consume. Bridget's Flame Ritual Oil. Handcrafted fragrance to promote creativity, grounding, protection, and energy. So it has lemongrass, rose geranium, and peppermint essential oils in an almond base. Triple Moon candle, tea candle holder, which is very cute. I like that a lot. And it's like glass or ceramic. I love it. Raw fire agate. Fire agate can range from transparent to opaque and have many different variations. It has many purposes, but also all of them are tied directly to the powers of fire. Juniper berries, associated with Saturn and Jupiter. This berry has a long history in Celtic ritual. Magical uses include wisdom, clarity, manifesting wishes, protection, anti-theft, and banishing troublesome spirits. Do not consume. Incense blend. It has mugwort and white sage from her garden. Is blended to manifest spiritual cleansing, protection, healing, and consecration. Do not consume. Organic dandelion root. It attributes luck, hope, wishes, happiness, and creativities. Burning during wish spells, divination, summoning spirits, and spells for creativity. Organic beeswax candle. Triple Moon charm. Artwork by Christy for Bridget's Flame and for Imbolc. An intuitively drawn tarot card from the Hermetic Tarot. And very cool. Love it. So, very nice little Midnight Muses box. And I will leave the information in the description below so that you can check it out. I very much like the items. And I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you soon.